If you're anything like me, you may have gotten a little bored or exhausted with Zoom calls this year. So I've done a little bit of research to find ways to make that more interesting, and I hope that's what you might get out of this video and blog post. Well, let's talk about why you might want a more interesting Zoom or webcam presence. That could be to impress your someone in a job interview, or possibly your clients or coworkers, or maybe you're doing creative work for clients and want to help them find ways to make things more interesting. The first thing that I've seen is webcam quality. People are phoning in on their old mobile phones, old laptops, crusty webcams, that type of thing. So the first thing that I discovered and started to use this year was a digital SLR as a webcam. There is a little gadget called a CamLink 4K that integrates with the HDMI output of your digital SLR that really makes an amazing difference in the quality of your calls. So that looks like this. So this is my Canon 5D Mark IV used as a webcam. So you get all the benefits of the depth of field of your different lenses, and lighting and everything is so much better. So as you can see. The next thing for me was creating some type of visual interest with a software program called OBS Studio. OBS was developed by the live streaming community. It's open source and free, and has a plugin architecture that let you use the software in different ways. So there is a virtual cam plugin for OBS Studio that allows you to use the software as a webcam. So in service of that, you can do things like this. This is what I call the business card layout. So it's really a simple image that was created in Photoshop of our business cards with a window punched out, saved as a transparent PNG for the video stream. So you can do all kinds of interesting bits just with a graphic overlay into your Zoom meetings. The next thing that can be interesting is scrolling text. So this is a very simple message down at the bottom overlaid with a couple graphics. You can do that in lots of different ways, as you can see here. So anything that you can think of, you can do with scrolling text and also images. One of the things that OBS will also do is it will put video into that live stream. So what you see here, the little crystal-like images there, is just a looping video. There are plenty of resources online to get those types of assets. And then for extra credit, you can use multiple cameras and something like a rotating image in the background to make it even more interesting. And all of this will work as you go through. So even doing things like PowerPoints or slideshows, you can use this. You can record within OBS and do lots and lots of other interesting things. This may also get you interested in live streaming itself, because the software is so easy to use, and honestly it's pretty fun. It's been a blast to learn something new this year and not just get stuck in boring land of Zoom calls. So I hope this helps. Read the blog post that this video is connected to, and thanks.